Alright guys, it's time to do the weekly update at Lowe's. Check out their clearance and new sales. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing I checked out was the outdoor power equipment, and it looks like at my local Lowe's they got a bunch of Ego on clearance. So here's the misting fan, bare tool only, $269 down from $299. This is a pretty big fan, one of the bigger misting fans that I've seen compared to other brands like Ryobi and Milwaukee. So pretty decent deal. 18 inches is the size of that. Definitely get a lot of airflow out of that one. They also had the Ego multi-head pole saw kit. $100 off on this, down to $219. Pretty good deal there. And then they also had the Ego 20-inch hedge trimmer attachment for that for $149. And then the 15-inch string trimmer attachment for $79. Now, if you guys are looking just for an Ego string trimmer, they had the 15-inch string trimmer down to $179. This was $249. And I'm pretty sure this is the kit also. So you'll be able to get a 2.5 amp hour battery with this, the charger, some string. So not a bad deal on that. They also had a couple deals going on for Kobalt. So here is the 40-volt multi-head snow shovel kit down to $179. Huge discount on that. That was $299, and that does come with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. And then they also had the 80-volt max charger for Kobalt down to $37. Huge discount on that. If you guys are looking for it, you might find that at your local Lowe's also. Had some deals going on for Skill, 24-inch hedge trimmer kit down to $143.02. They also had the 14-inch chainsaw kit, $179. This was $199, so a little discount on that, not huge. They also had the 40-volt 14-inch string trimmer kit, $143 also, down from $159. And then they had the Skill 40-volt blower and trimmer combo, pretty good deal, $197 for that. And that blower is going to be a 500 CFM leaf blower, so not too bad, 14-inch string trimmer. And that'll come with the 2.5 amp hour battery, 60-watt charger. So not a bad deal, under $200, and you get both of those, the charger and battery. They also had the 40-volt 10-inch pole saw, $179. Another little discount on that. And that's also the kit, so you get a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger. So a few deals there for the Skill outdoor power equipment. Check out to see what they got going on for Craftsman. String trimmer, 10-inch, only $10 off on this. Like to see that get a lot lower. That also is a kit, but it only comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery. They also had the pole saw kit by Craftsman down to $149. This is $169, and this does come with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. And this is brushless, and it's an 8-inch pole saw. They also had some pretty good deals going on for the snow blowers. Don't know if you guys got a lot of snow in your area, but in my area we don't have very much, so I'm assuming that's why they're clearancing these snow blowers out. So you might not see the same deals at your Lowe's, but it's definitely worth a look if you guys are shopping around for snow blowers. Pretty huge clearance deals on a lot of these 2-stage snow blowers. Here's a Craftsman for $900. This was $14.99. And then they also had another 26-inch 2-stage snowblower down to $719. This was over $1,100. And then they got the 30-inch 2-stage down to $959. This was $1,600. So huge discounts on the snowblowers. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are seeing these same deals on these snowblowers at your local Lowe's. Did not see any deals on the smaller snowblowers. It seemed like it was just bigger 2-stage snowblowers. All right, also seen a special value deal on a generator. So this is the Furman 4,125 watt dual fuel. So this takes gasoline and propane. This is an inverter generator. $200 off on this. This was $1,000. They got it for $800. So if you're using gas, you get the starting watts of 4125. But if you're using the propane, it's going to bump it down to 3750. And the running watts is going to be right around 3,000. They also had some deals on some robot vacs. I actually own one of these, and they come in really handy. So here's the Shark robot vac with auto empty down to $346. This was like $600. So pretty good deal there. And then they also had the Roomba. This was $349 down to $226.96. So pretty good deal on that. And one more over to the right here was the Nito D9. This was 500 bucks, 50% off on this one, down to 246. And then they also had the Bissell Spin Wave. So this is a wet and dry robotic vacuum and mops your floors. This is something similar to what I got, and this thing is amazing. I use it in my basement all the time, and it keeps my floors really clean. They also had some special values going on for the Little Giant Multitask ladder. So here's the 18-foot reach, 300-pound capacity. Few bucks off on that, down to 189. That was 200 bucks. And then they also had the 22-foot reach, also 300-pound capacity. A little bit better deal on this one. 239 was the original price, down to 199. 33 different positions. These things come in really handy. I actually have the Harbor Freight version, and it really came in handy doing multiple different projects around the house, painting, stuff like that. So I really like these multitask ladders. They also had the Werner 8-foot fiberglass ladder, 300-pound capacity. Nice discount on this, was $179 down to $139. All right, we'll go ahead and jump into some tool deals. And they had a few deals for Bosch. So right here is a special value deal for the 4.5-inch 18-volt angle grinder. This is the tool only, down to $99, and that was $139. They also had a couple other deals. Another $99 deal down from $139 is the brushless orbital sander with dust management. Once again, tool only, no battery and charger with that. And then I seen this special value. This is the 2-tool brushless combo kit. So you get the impact driver, drill driver, down to $149. This is $199. You're also going to get 2 2-amp-hour batteries, the charger, and the case with that. They also had the Bosch vacuum, bare tool only. Another special value, down to $129. This was $179. And these really come in handy to do small cleanups around your workshop. Another special value for the Bosch hammer drill, down to $129. This was $169. So a few deals there for you Bosch guys. They also had a bunch of deals going on for Kobalt. So if you're in the Kobalt power tool line, they had a lot of deals going on. Here is the right angle impact wrench, $99. This was $149. They also had the 4.5-inch compact circular saw, down to $79. Yellow stickers everywhere for Kobalt. 5-inch random orbit sander, 79 bucks. You have the compact router, $99. Now this one was stickered wrong, but it got it under the ratchet. But this is actually the right angle drill driver bare tool for $99. They got the 6-inch random orbit polisher for $99. Another tool that comes in pretty handy is this 3-inch multi-material saw. Had that down to $79. Also had the multi-tool, was 100 bucks down to 79 bucks. These are all bare tools, so you won't be getting batteries with these. One-handed recip, 79 bucks also. And then they had the recip saw for $99. That was $129. 3/8-inch compact impact wrench, 79 bucks. Also had the 1/2-inch impact wrench for $79. And then if you guys are looking for the circular saw, also had a deal on that. This is the 6.5-inch circular saw, down to 99 bucks. Here's a look at that right angle drill driver that I told you guys about earlier. Now if you guys want to step it up to the XTR Kobalt line, they also had deals on those. So here is the drill with 1 battery, charger for $99. And then they also had the 1/4-inch impact driver with battery and charger for $99. Both of those kits come with the 4-amp-hour battery and the hard case. And then here's a quick look at all those deals that are $79. Save up to $30 on any of those tools. They also had the batteries up there. So you can pick up 2 4-amp-hour batteries also for 79 bucks. And these are your deals for $99 where you're saving up to $40 off. And then right there you can also see they got the jigsaw, the job site radio, and then they also got the 4-amp-hour batteries with a charger. Here's another Bosch deal. So this is the 60-foot green cross line laser, down to $90. This is $120. They also had a special value on the 7-piece recip saw blade kit, $9.98 for that. Was $14.98. And then also the 40-piece drive bit set for $14.98. 18-piece jigsaw blade set down to $15.98, and then the 4-piece stone bit set was $16.98. They also had a bunch of deals going on for Craftsman. So here's the Craftsman 1/2-inch mid-torque wrench, tool only. This is the RP line. So this is the top line for Craftsman power tools. 99 bucks for that. They also had the RP 4.5-inch circular saw, tool only, for 99 bucks. They also had a few deals for 79 bucks. So here is the RP recip saw. This was $129. They also had the angle grinder for $79. This was also $129. And then they had the multi-tool. This was $99, so not as good of a deal. And then over here, another $119 down to $79, the 3-inch cut-off tool. And then they also had the 1/2-inch hammer drill, $79 for that also. And then also for $79, they had the 1/4-inch impact. This was $89.98, so another not huge discount on that one. And then this isn't an RP deal. This is just their 20-volt hammer drill, but this does come with the battery and charger, so that's a 2-amp-hour battery. Pretty decent for DIYers for $79. And then here's another quick look at those deals for $79 and for $99. As you guys can see, they do have the 4-amp-hour battery kit. That's $79 also. And then for $99, there's all the deals there. And those are all RP. Now if we take a look at this, 2 deals I wanted to point out. The 1/2-inch drill comes with 2 batteries, charger, and the soft case. And the impact driver also comes with 2 batteries, charger, and the soft case. And those are 2 2-amp-hour batteries. So that's actually a pretty good deal for $99. I also wanted to put this in here. They do have some deals going on for the V-Series ratchet kits. Now I've heard mixed views on these, so I'm not going to spend too much time on them. I've never used them myself, but I've heard good things and I've heard bad things. So just wanted to note this, that they are clearancing out the V-Series ratchets and the ratchet sets. They also had some deals going on for Flex, so buy one, get one. If you pick up one of the select nailers, you get a free battery kit. So $129 value for the 2.5-amp-hour battery kit if you pick up one of these nailers. They had a bunch to choose from. They also had the stapler there and the pin nailer. And then also they had a $199 value. You get the free 3.5-amp-hour stacked lithium battery kit if you pick up the 21-degree framing nailer or the 30-degree framing nailer. So a few deals there for Flex. I also found this random end cap with some clearance deals, so I had to check it out. First up, they had the Flex 1/4-inch impact driver kit. This was $200. They had it down to $179, so a little discount on that. Now this did come with the 6-amp-hour stacked lithium battery, 280-watt charger, and the hard case. Clearanced out for $179. They also had some DeWalt stuff down here. So here's the die grinder, bare tool only, down to $160.32. And they had a bunch of those still left. They also had the DeWalt 8-volt gyroscopic screwdriver. They had that marked down from $89 down to $62. So here's another DeWalt deal. So we got the hammer drill with the power stack battery. And they throw in a charger in a bag with that for $125. That was $179. So I had one of the DeWalt heated jackets clearance out. This was just a medium. This is the only one they had, but that's a heck of a deal. $83.57 from $209. Now this was another crazy clearance deal I found at my Lowe's. They didn't have any in stock or I would have picked it up, but the DeWalt 2.25 horsepower fixed base router kit all the way down to $44.72. This was $179. If you guys can find this at your Lowe's, that'd be a heck of a deal. They also had a special value for the 12-inch Metabo sliding compound miter saw. So down from $449 all the way down to $349. So you get $100 off on that. There's some of the specs there. 15 amp. So a pretty nice Metabo saw. Also had some deals going on for the Jurgensen clamps. 48-inch for $40. They also had the 36-inch for $35. And then they had the smaller 24-inch for $30. And then they also had a buy one, get one going on for the Kobalt K-Stack. So if you purchase this 2-drawer K-Stack, and the price on that is $119. They're going to go ahead and throw in this medium-size Kobalt K-Stack toolbox for free, which isn't too bad of a deal because if you bought that separately, price tag on that is $60. So $60 value with the buy one, get one. All right, guys, so that's a quick rundown of the deals I found at my local Lowe's. Now, remember, when it comes to clearance deals, every Lowe's is going to be a little bit different. You might find the same deals. You might not find the same deals. You might even find better deals. You won't know until you go into the stores and check them out. So hopefully you guys have luck with finding some pretty good deals at your local Lowe's. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Hope you found some value in the video. I try to put these videos out weekly. So if that's something you're interested in and you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.